Dear students, my name is Andy Pagosian. I would like to welcome you to the Math 110A class. I'm glad you are ready to learn and move forward in your academic studies. I hope you have already read my welcome letter where the most important policies were clearly reviewed for you. I hope you paid close attention to the DE check-in assignment that establishes attendance in an online hybrid course. Since you are enrolled in fully online course, you won't have any opportunity to see each other's faces and light talks to discover more about your classmates. This assignment should help you socialize with each other. I hope you are feeling comfortable with the concept of online classes and you are successfully adjusting your learning style to this format. To connect students and help you build the partnerships that would support you in overcoming current difficulties and staying motivated, you are given your first mandatory assignment. Math 110A is 100% online class. Please read carefully. We are going to start an online class on Monday, August 31st. If you experience technical difficulties during the first week, be patient. Attendance and participation are very important. We have a lot of material to cover and understand, so regular attendance is crucial to your success in the class. Attendance will be taken based on completion of assignments and participation in online synchronous discussions in small and large groups with both instructor-student and student-student interaction. Good attendance is the base for learning. Without regular attendance, you cannot build the foundation necessary to pass this class. Good luck.